Give a twist and it pops it up. New Jollibee. Grilled cheesy chili con carne burger. And spicy crispy chicken burger. So delicious, every bite just the right spice. New Jollibee. Spice burger. Ang sarap.
Han, ba't ka nagkakaltrate?
Ayoko lumiit, no?
Pag mahina ang buto, pwede kang lumiit pagtanda mo. Take Caltrate Plus. Calcium plus vitamin D and minerals for strong bones.
Ayoko lumiit.
Caltrate Plus.
Mahalaga ang tulog sa paglaki ni baby dahil mas active ang growth hormones niya habang tulog siya. Use Johnson's Baby Bedtime Bath and Lotion with natural calm. It's part of the Johnson's Baby bedtime routine. First, bathe. Then, massage. Then, quiet time. It's clinically proven to help babies sleep better throughout the night. Johnson's Baby Bedtime.
Hi, meet Dr. Bruce from Nestle. Dr. Bruce, can milk make my child more intelligent?
No, it cannot. Intelligence is a combination of genes,
No mamana.
encouragement from parents,
Like us.
and of course, proper nutrition. Just like what Nestle puts in Nido One Plus.
Now that's being smart about intelligence. Choose wellness, choose Nestle, choose Nido.
New Royal True Orange. Now with B vitamins na pampakulit.
Akin yan.
New Royal with B vitamins. Ilabas ang kulit.
Experience a new era for Head & Shoulders with Scalp Renew formula. It removes dandruff to help scalp regenerate naturally, cell by cell, making it just like new.
Certified effective ng UP Biotech.
With scalp like new, get as close as you want. New era Head & Shoulders.
Fact, by spreading dirt, you're actually spreading germs. That's why you need new Lysol 3-in-1 All-Purpose Cleaner. It cleans 30% better than other thick bleach. Kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It deodorizes and freshens. Lysol protects. That's a fact. Lysol 3-in-1 All-Purpose Cleaner. Only $31.50.
Sabi ko na eh. Tingnan mong muscle na yan.
Di nyo alam,
Maga yan sa loob. Parang taling nagkapilip-pilipit. Ang mabilis dyan, Alaxan FR. Agad talab sa maga. Kaya bilis tanggal ang sakit. Ang bilis. Ganun ha.
Body Bay, kahit saan, agad talab ang Alaxan FR.
Babe Bibo, bagong bibo. Babe Bibo, may sikreto.
Anong sikreto ng bagong bibo?
Tikman mo.